strong, not skinny. Let's take 10 minutes, low impact movement to build some real incredible strength as we continue to build discipline and consistency. Let's go. Let's twist, arms outstretched. Really swing. Feel the whole movement of your body. Growing up, I certainly remember, especially for girls, it was like, oh, be skinny, be skinny. There's a great doctor out now, really speaking to women, menopause, perimenopause, about no, strong. Think strong, not skinny. I think that's a great way to go through our lives as we continue to build incredible strength, healthy bodies. Skinny doesn't necessarily mean healthy. Strong, yes, we want good strength. So we're confident we can move through our day with incredible ease, ability to do the things we love to do. So we're going to continue building some great upper body strength. We're going to stretch it out today. Okay, I want to move a bit. I'm just going to shuffle whatever space you have. Maybe it's just a little bit of space, and all you can do is this. Just let's get warmed up. But I have some space here, so I want to go side to side. I am going to come down a bit when I come, just to build a little bit of leg strength as we warm up. The 11 push-up concept resonated with quite a few of you. I love it. We got our park bench here, so have a chair nearby if you're at home. And I really want us to start to reimagine, to change the way we look at things when we're out. We see a park bench. Ooh, opportunity. Maybe a fallen log, a big rock. Oh, there's an opportunity to practice building some strength. One more. Okay, beautiful. So we were doing planks and such the other day to build this great upper body strength, to get to 11 push-ups. Slow process. It's a journey. Let's enjoy it. Not really necessarily the 11 push-ups. That's a great goal to set. It's a person we become by working towards it. So I'm coming down here. The top, obviously, the higher up we get, a wall works. You could do this from a wall. Okay? It's a progression. I'm coming to here where I feel comfortable. Plank hold. We were doing this. Now I'm just going to add a nice little toe tap. So engage the core. Remember to breathe as always. And just do your very best. If you can come to the floor to do this, obviously, then it becomes more challenging. Wonderful. We're all at different phases. Do what works best for you. Showing up is what matters. Putting in the effort. So core stability we're building, as well as amazing upper body strength. And clearly, we're getting some leg strength in as well. Couple more. Arms getting shaky yet? I hope so. That's the good stuff. Up we get. Since we have your chair nearby, I want to do a nice quad stretch. I want to stretch it out just in between as we rest and recover for the next exercise. So use your chair. Let's just stretch out the quads. If you don't need your chair, clearly maybe I do. Use it when you need it. Take your hand off when you can so we can build some balance. I need to slow down. There. Going too quickly. I'm ramped up today, talking very fast. Slow down, Drew. I get very excited to be here. You know that I do. I just love this so much. We're building strength, connecting as a community. What could be better? There, see, slow it down. The balance gets so much better. Brilliant. Couple more. We want to be flexible. We want to be strong, have great mobility, bring real presence into everything we do so that we can serve others, take care of ourselves first, and we are far better service to those in our community, to those around us. Oh, okay. Standing. I'll come to the side too. So bend over, nice flat back if you can, bend the knees generously, and just an upright row. If you had small weights, this would be an excellent opportunity to use them, but we don't need them. Nice. Arm strengthening exercise, great for building some mobility in the lower back as well. Just go at your own pace. Really bring those shoulder blades together. Yeah, and reach down as low as you can by maintaining that flat back. And yes, just a good base for your stance. Solid base. Try to keep my back flat. Sometimes it is do as I say, not as I do. I try my best. Nothing worse than a person who's do as they say, not as they do. But I don't always get each movement exactly correctly. That's not what we're here for either. Progress over perfection. A couple more. Actually, let's do a few more. Yes. And last one. Oh, how's that? Oh, let's just twist that out. You probably feel it in the lower back. Great. Yes. Really. There you go. Yeah. Real mindful twist. Our thrush songbird is back. Serenading us, giving some nice background atmosphere. How lucky are we? I want you to think of taking any one of the actual exercises and incorporating that through your day. If you'd like to get to 11 push-ups or just stronger overall, I really do think it's incorporating these throughout the day. Just finding opportunities. Hey, you're waiting for the laundry. I can get down on the ground and do a plank hold. Your tea water is boiling. Oh, great opportunity on the counter here. I could do some shoulder tap, plank holds. Just keep incorporating, adding them day by day, little by little, but just get stronger and stronger. At 11 push-ups, why not? Okay. Top of your bench or your chair. Again, you do what's best for you. I am going to come to the top to do this one. Slow push-ups. So we got a plank hold, and if you can just hold, that's fine. Maybe I will come to here. I think I can demonstrate better. Slow. Come down as best you can, and maybe that's just to here. Maybe it's literally just a micro movement. Fantastic. You're here. That's what matters. I am going to slowly. So just sink as slowly as you possibly can down as deep as you can get. And slowly back up. And just hold it here. If the plank hold is all you have, hallelujah, wonderful. Stick with it. I'm going to go down again, and I'm just going to move incredibly mindfully. It's not about just muscle into it. No, let's just build some beautiful strength and mindfulness together. Hold it. Very good. That's challenging. We really sometimes just want to go so quickly through it. How much do we race through things rather than just slowly and appreciate every single moment of it? One more, and maybe again, that's just to hear for you. And if that's the case, then hold the plank. Just do your best wherever you're at, but just move mindfully. Let's stretch that out. Really feel this in the entire body. You're going to go all through your arms, shoulders, lower back, legs. Bend your knees as generally as possible, and up we get. Oh, I do love that stretch. Let's stretch out the arms. Nice circles. That was a challenge. As I said, I'm just building back upper body strength. I've been out of commish with any kind of push-ups for nearly a month now. I'm here with you. I feel your pain. We're in this together. Let's give some hugs. Oh, yeah. Ooh, beautiful. Then let's grab one arm, stretch it out. And as I do that, I'm going to walk around my space. So nice, great stretch for the shoulder, the arm. But why not add a few steps in? We love to walk. That's what we do here. Other side. A little bit of stretching throughout your day. It really doesn't have to be these epic long sessions. Hey, there's an opportunity to stretch. I can always find a little bit more movement to make it enjoyable, real pleasurable. Movement is a pleasure, not a punishment. We really just start to reimagine and look at things differently. Yes, shake those arms. Oh, where are we at? Okay, we were. That's it. 10-minute workouts, right? Yeah, well, I'm outdoors. I don't really have a great concept of the sun dial. There's no sun yet either. That's all right. Let's take a minute just to really absorb everything we've done. Just be here now. I breathe in. I notice I breathe in. I breathe out. I notice I breathe out. I breathe in. I notice I breathe in. I breathe out. I notice I breathe out. I notice I breathe in. I notice I breathe out. I notice I breathe in. I choose to be happy today. I notice I breathe out. I am happy. I breathe in. I notice I breathe in. I choose to be happy today. I breathe out. I am happy. It works. We get to choose. Happiness is the way. That was amazing. I can feel it. Keep moving. Find micro movements throughout your day, and we will build incredible strength as we move forward. You showing up is amazing. You inspire me. Thank you for being here. I will see you tomorrow. Yes.